Welcome to this guide on one of the most confusing messages in Git, the detached head state. If you have ever seen this warning and panicked, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it easily. To understand the detached state, we first need to understand what head is. In Git, head is simply a pointer. It is like a "you are here" marker on a map. Normally, it points to the name of the branch you are currently working on, such as main or develop. In a standard workflow, head points to a branch name. The branch name, in turn, points to the latest commit. This is important because when you make a new commit, the branch pointer moves forward automatically, taking head with it. This keeps your history organized. So, what is a detached head? It happens when head stops pointing to a branch name and instead points directly to a specific commit ID. You are no longer attached to any branch. You are floating at a specific moment in your project's history. Let's look at the difference. In the normal state, head points to the branch, which points to the commit. In the detached state, head bypasses the branch and locks directly onto a commit. Notice how the connection to the main branch is broken. You are effectively working without a safety net. Why does this happen? The most common cause is checking out a specific commit hash. You might do this to see how your project looked a week ago. When you run git checkout with a commit ID, Git moves you to that exact snapshot, putting you in a detached state. Another common cause is checking out a tag, like version 1. Tags are read-only snapshots. Since you cannot add new commits to a tag, Git puts you in a detached head state to prevent you from accidentally modifying a released version. Is this dangerous? It can be. If you create new commits while in this detached state, they will not belong to any branch. If you then switch back to your main branch, those new commits will be left behind, disconnected, and eventually deleted by Git's garbage collection. How do you fix it? If you were just looking around and did not make any changes, the solution is simple. Just check out your main branch again. This reattaches head to the branch tip and everything returns to normal. But what if you made changes and want to keep them? Do not switch branches yet. Instead, create a new branch right where you are using the switch or checkout command with the -b flag. This converts your temporary detached work into a permanent, saved branch. To summarize, detached head is not an error. It is just a state where you are inspecting a specific commit. Remember, if you want to save your work, always create a new branch. Now you can navigate your Git history with confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.